Good morning, everyone. As one of the topics I'll be dealing with for the past weeks, formal geometry. We have discussed polygons. We have discussed some of angles in a polygon. We have discussed, in the last class we discussed congruent triangles. Today, we'll be discussing three theorems, which will be the last part of the formal geometry. And the first theorem will be talking about equal intercept. Equal intercept. When you have a line A and B and have another line C and D, which they are parallel to each other, and we have a transversal. This is called transversal P Q. This is where it's called intercept. From here to here is called. So the theorem states that if two or more parallel lines cut off equal intercepts on a transversal, then they cut off equal intercept on any other transversal. That is, if you're having something like this, I'm having three parallel lines. Look at these three parallel lines. They are parallel to each other, and I'm having transversal. This is one transversal, another transversal. Let me call this one A. Let me call this one B. Let me call this one C. Let me call this one X. Let me call this one Y. Let me call this one Z. Let me call this one Z. A, B, C, X, Y, Z. And these are parallel. This one is that if this one will be parallel to this place and also will be parallel to this place. From this theorem of equal intercept, AB is equal, let me call this place G and H. AB is equal to XG. AB is equal to BC. XG is equal to Y. XG is equal to YH. And lastly, XY is equal to YZ. Now I'll be talking about the equal intercept. This place will be equal to this place. This place will be equal to this place. This place will be equal to this place. This length XY will be equal to YZ. And that theorem how we'll be talking about is a midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. Midpoint theorem. If you have a triangle, look at this triangle. Let me call it A, B, triangle ABC. If this is the mid of A and B, and this point is the midpoint for A and C, this one is said as a line joining the two midpoints is half of this BC. Let me call this place D and E. That is, DE is equal to half BC. If this place is 4, this place will be 8. Look at this very well. DE is 4, BC is what? Is 8. And lastly, let me give you, the last theorem I will give you is about proportion division. If you have a triangle again, you have a triangle. Look at this triangle. Let me call this one P, Q. This is my P, this is my Q, this is my R. If this one is parallel, let me call this place M, let me call this place N. If it's parallel to this, the theorem is telling us that if this parallel line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other into equal ratio. It's telling me that my P, M, that is PM over MQ, will be equal to PN over NR. PM over MQ is equal to PN over NR. Please be careful about these two theorems. This one is when this place is equal. That is the midpoint. That's when this one will be used, please. Let me give you examples. Let me just give you some examples. For example, look at this one. If I'm having for the first theorem, let me give you examples. If I'm having parallel, transversal, parallel. Look at this. One is parallel, parallel, parallel. If the one is 3.1 and the base is K. This one is talking about the first example, that is first theorem. Our K will be 3.1. And the second one, look at this example. Example 2. The one is example 1. Example 2. If I'm having A, B, C, D, and this one is D, E. And we are given that this one is equal to this. This one is midpoint. And you are given that this place is 12 centimeters. Who can tell us the theorem we'll be using here is the second theorem of the midpoint theorem. That is half of this. This one is half of BC. Definitely, my DE will be half BC, which is equal to half times 12, which is equal to 6 centimeters. Please take note. And look at this, the last example I will give you. We have triangle A, B, and C. We are given this place M, N, and here is parallel to this. This place is 6 centimeters. This place is X, 7 centimeters. This place is 5. You ask to find your X. We can't use the midpoint theorem because this place is not equal to this. Definitely is the last one that you do the proportional division, that is 6 over X is equal. 6 over X is equal to 7 over 5. If you cross multiply, 7x is 6 times 5. 7x is 30. Divide through by 7. X is 4 whole number 2 over 7 centimeters. You will see your class tags underneath. And if you have any questions, please endeavor to comment through the Google Classroom and we'll respond to your questions immediately. Thank you.